Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome you all to learn Chinese language with Chinese language made easy. I'm Muhammad Shahid, and today I brought a very interesting topic to discuss. So let's proceed towards our topic, and today's topic is learning Chinese vocabulary in an easy way. And how I'm going to prove my claim, so let's just get started. There's a character in Chinese language that is written like this. Okay, so this is Jin. Alone it means of this day or present. Okay, of this day or present. So means that I'll be discussing it in English and Urdu at the same time. So of this day means mawjuda. Yeah, you can say ye din. Okay, ye din, jin. So now we add this character with another character, and this becomes Jin Tian. Jin Tian means today or this day or present day. Okay, Jin Tian. Now I just kept this character the same, and this character came in addition with Jin. Okay, and it becomes today means Aaj in Urdu. So I will just add another character with Jin Nian, this year, ye sal, or you can say mawjuda sal. So Jinyan. Okay, now just keep this whole thing in mind. I'm gonna add or first we will try to make sentences with these words, and then we will proceed towards our other topic of discussion. So let's make a sentence with writing this. Okay, so let's discuss that. I'm just adding nothing else. I'll just add an adverb of degree that is known as 很 means very. ज्यादा, very, zyada. Okay, so I'm just gonna add this with the Jin Tian, and or I'll also discuss another word that is going to come in that sentence, and I'll tell you that what is that word. So let's just write a sentence, and we will say 今天很 今天很 今天 today it's very cold. आज बहुत ज़्यादा सर्दी है. आज बहुत ज़्यादा सर्दी है. 今天很冷. 今天很冷. Now you can see that, just focus on this very character. What did I do with that? If you see, I wrote this, but I added something with that, and you saw what was that? So it means that if you add, this is known as radical of snow, and this is known as Jinyan, a dot stroke. So I just added the radical of snow and a dot below this stroke, and you saw that it becomes lang. 今天 today 很 今天 today 很 means very, adverb of degree, and lang means cold. So today it's very cold, or today is very cold. आज बहुत ज़्यादा सर्दी है. So you saw that I just added this radical of snow and this stroke, and it becomes like that. Okay, so you can easily remember this character in relevance with this jin. You saw I just added with the jin character the radical of snow, and then I added a dian stroke, so it became interesting. Now let's talk about the other example. We discussed that this year. So we saw that we write it like that. Jinyan, this year. So let's get to know about that. Let's just make a sentence, and Jinyan 我们要去今年我们要去北京. I'll just write the pinyin. 我们要去 Okay, we will go to Beijing this year. Okay, so you saw that 今年 this came from here. 今年 this year. 我们 means we. 要 willing. Sometimes this character is used for expressing your desires about future. So it means want, it means need, it means 需要 actually means need, but alone it can also means need, and it also can be discussed for saying well. Okay, 去 means to go, and Beijing is Beijing city in China. Okay, major city in China. So 今年我们要去北京. 今年我们要去北京. इस साल हम बेजिंग जाएंगे. इस साल हम बेजिंग जाएंगे. So this was about that. Okay, we discussed Jinyan. Okay, now I'm gonna add, just keep the Jin character in mind, and I'll add something more with that. Okay, let's just discuss that too. You remember this, right? Okay. Now, when I transformed it into a new character, you saw that what did I basically do with that? I just added this and this. Now when I'm gonna transform it into another character, this one was Jin and this one becomes Lang, cold, and of the present of this day or present, and then I am going to transform it into another character. And how I'm going to do that? I'm just going to add the radical of rain with that. Okay, nothing more. I'm just going to add the radical of rain with it. How I'm going to do that? This is the radical of rain, and I'm just going to remove this radical of snow from it, and this character remains the same. And now this becomes Ling. Ling. In Chinese language, Ling means 0. 0. We'll just try to write a number. Let's, for example, 102. 102. 102 means 102. 102. 102. You saw? In Urdu we call it 102. 102. So you saw that how this character is transformed. Okay, and piling R. Okay, so this was all about this character Jin, how I transformed this Jin into Lang and then into 0 character. There are other characters also, and we will talk about those characters some other day. Hope that this lecture was fruitful enough for you to learn new Chinese vocabulary in an interesting and easy way, and I'll be bringing more interesting videos just like this for you to learn Chinese language in an easy way. इसी तरह के और वीडियोस इंशाल्लाह मैं बनाऊंगा चाइनीज़ लैंग्वेज के ऊपर कि आसानी हो उसमें ये कि हम एक तो चाइनीज़ कैरेक्टर्स को आसानी के साथ सीख सके, जो कि एक ताज्जुब का निशान लगता है जब हम पहली बार इसको देखते हैं, लेकिन ये बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है और इजी वे में आप सीख सकते हैं। तो इंशाल्लाह मैं कोशिश करूँगा कि जो भी आने वाले लेक्चर्स होंगे उनको इंटरेस्टिंग बनाया जा सके, इस तरीके से लिंक किया जा सके एक कैरेक्टर को दूसरे कैरेक्टर के साथ, और इस तरह आप आपकी सीखने का अमल आसान हो जाएगा आपके लिए। सो इफ़ यू लाइक दिस वीडियो, डू शेयर इट विद योर फ्रेंड्स हु लाइक टू लर्न चाइनीज़ लैंग्वेज, और इंशाल्लाह वी विल मीट ईच अदर इन नेक्स्ट इंटरेस्टिंग वीडियो रिगार्डिंग चाइनीज़ लैंग्वेज। टिल देन, सी यू, 再见।